When you're small, your ERP can be simple. One site, one team, one process. But as you grow, that simplicity vanishes. New plants, new products, new people, and suddenly you're managing a manufacturing network, not just a shop floor. That's why scalability matters. In this video, we'll look at how modern manufacturing ERPs, and Epicor in particular, help manufacturers grow across teams and locations. Let's dive in. What does a scalable ERP look like? A scalable ERP is an ERP that can grow with you. You can add plants, users, and product lines without re-implementing or fragmenting your data. Whether your shop's in Colorado and your finance team's in New Hampshire, everyone works from the same system in real time. Why is having a scalable ERP important? Manufacturers today face growth through expansion and consolidation. Many run multiple plants, suppliers, or acquired brands, each with different systems and data. Without a unified ERP, coordination becomes chaos, duplicate data, inconsistent costing, and disconnected scheduling. That's where scalable, composable ERP architecture changes the game. As an analyst firm covering ERPs, we wanted to take a minute to spotlight Epicor and show you how their solution ticks off a lot of these boxes. Let's take a peek. Epicor Kinetic, built for growth. Epicor Kinetic ERP was designed for manufacturers ready for scale. It's cloud native, giving every plant and remote worker browser-based access from anywhere. From one instance, companies can manage multiple locations, business entities, and currencies, shared inventory, planning, and scheduling across sites, and centralized reporting and real-time collaboration. In addition to that, Epicor supports an expanding suite of composable business apps, including CPQ, configure, visualize, and quote, complex products. EDI, exchange POs, invoices, and shipping docs electronically. ECM, control documents, revisions, and approvals. Grow AI, deliver insights, forecasts, and AI-driven recommendations. CPC, optimize shop floor performance with real-time data. Elite Extra, streamline delivery, routing, and dispatch. Keyclo, extend ERP to dealer portals and e-commerce. These apps make the solution composable, meaning you can extend your ERP with modular solutions and add what you need when you need it. Instead of buying a huge system up front, you build on your foundation later without disrupting operations. The takeaway: growth shouldn't break your ERP. With solutions like Epicor Kinetic, manufacturers can add new sites, users, and capabilities without losing control or visibility. And as tools like Prism and Grow AI evolve, the same ERP that runs your business today keeps getting smarter tomorrow. If you're growing and want an ERP that scales with you, check out Epicor Kinetic through the links in the description. Thanks to Epicor for sponsoring this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more ERP breakdowns and manufacturing insights. See you next time.